First at 10, local health leaders are reacting hours after the Ohio Department of Health released their new quarantine guidelines for schools.
ODH says they hope these new rules will keep more kids in the classroom. 2 News reporter Caroline Morse is live in the studio with what parents need to know.
Well, health leaders I spoke with say they're facing a difficult task, keeping kids in school while also still fighting the pandemic. And they believe this is the best plan for safety and ensuring in-person class time.
It's not mandatory, but I'm not sure why a school wouldn't do this.
The Ohio Department of Health is giving schools a new option for quarantine guidelines. They say if a staff member or student comes in contact with a COVID positive person, they may remain in the classroom without symptoms if they wear a mask for 2 weeks, check for symptoms, and provide a negative test result between day 5 and day 7 after exposure. Clark County Health Commissioner Charles Patterson says the data is clear. The masks and COVID-19 vaccines have slowed down the spread within classrooms.
The research that was done in Warren County as part of the pilot project has shown that a very small percentage of the exposures that occur in school or in a school setting actually then end up being an actual case.
At this time, 5 to 11-year-olds are still not eligible for COVID-19 vaccines. That's having an impact in Montgomery County, where health leaders say COVID spread is still considered high. They advise parents to continue keeping up their guard until more kids can be vaccinated.
This particular guidance only is if the close contact happened in the classroom or school setting. So, for example, if it's between brother and sister at a home, then these new guidance does not apply.
As activities move indoors due to cold weather, Patterson is hopeful the new optional policy will be a popular choice.
I think the majority of schools will consider this and will adopt this as their new quarantine policy.
And at this time, the coronavirus dashboard shows 64% of eligible Ohioans have started the vaccination process. Live in studio, Caroline Morse, 2 News working for you.